दुनिया की तमाम छोटी और बड़ी खबरों के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें और बेल का बटन जरूर दबाएं। When you meet the slum guys, the poor people behind this wall, when you met them, after that, what do you think about Gujarat model?
I respect Modi ji, but now they are spending 80 crore rupees. If they have empathy to these people, poor people, even it is Modi or anyone, authorities, they have empathy or they love India in truly manner, they must be rehabilitated before them. Last 70 years we have got independence. Still, American president coming here to visit India, we are trying to hide their living condition. It's unhuman activity. Even it is Modi or any other government, what authority is doing, it is not a problem. But no authority should not act like this.
आप देख रहे हैं देश लाइव, देश की आवाज। You came here in Ahmedabad and you are protesting against a hunger strike.
Yeah.
Why you are doing a hunger strike here in Modi's Gujarat, Modi's Ahmedabad on Airport Road? Why?
I heard a news that there is on 24th American President Trump is visiting in India, and in Ahmedabad Sarkar's government spending 80 crore rupees for beautification of the city. Same time they are hiding Ahmedabad slum colony people. They are hiding for that hiding purpose. They are constructing a wall, 7 feet height wall, for hiding their poverty, their living condition from Trump view. So that's this unhuman activity shaked me. So as a social worker, my heart shaked, and as a citizen, I think it is the time to act. So that's why I came here, and after spoke with these people, they saying that they are living like a worms. They after constructing this wall, they are feeling like they are not part of this country. They are hiding from this country. That emotions hurted me a lot. That's why I started.
You came from Kerala. You came alone here. Is there your family? Is there? They allow you to come. You don't have any worry about Modi. He's a very strong man.
No, because I love my India and I love my Indian people. So many ancestors living like this. I don't have any fear. I am ready to die also.
You saying that you are enjoying your freedom. Have you seen that जब भी कोई मोदी जी के खिलाफ बोलता है तो उसको दबा दिया जाता है, उसकी आवाज़ को दबाया जाता है। ये हर जगह पे नज़र भी आ रहा है। ये आपने भी देखा होगा। क्या आपने कभी महसूस किया है कि आपको डर लगता है कि यहाँ पर आप बैठी हो, यहाँ से आपको कोई आकर उठा देगा?
Yesterday these people are saying that they supporting me, and after that they scared about police. These people only know scaring of police. They don't know the what is our constitution, what is our democracy. This India we are living.
You mean first day when you came here, the people was supporting you,
yeah.
But after that they are not supporting you. They are worried about police.
They are not. They are still supporting emotionally, mentally, but they can't physically supporting me because they are scaring of police. I think it is not acceptable. Where people are not, they are not doing anything wrong here, but they are still fearing. A person entering into their colony, they are fearing that something will happen. This much shaking, fearing people. No, this is not our India expecting. Everyone have right to speech, right to protest. They have the right to protest. They have the right to speak. They are. You can see that they are helping to construct this building, but still the emotions are going on inside their head. They are Garib people. They are hiding from here, but we have to speak for them. That's my motive and aim.
No, you said you have family in Kerala. You have children also. आप उन बच्चों को छोटे, कितने बच्चे हैं आपके, कितने छोटे बच्चे आप उनको छोड़कर यहाँ पर आई हो?
मेरा husband will take care of. My husband will take care of them, and my mother is also. My sister is also there.
They are small little children.
14 years boy and 5 years boy.
5 years boy.
Yeah.
Oh.
but my love for my nation is more than that. I know I am a family woman. I have so many duties. Till yesterday, I have doing all for them, but this is also my responsibility. So I convince them I am going for this. I don't know I going back there, return or something else, but I love my India. I love my because I last 6 years I am doing so many work for destitute street people, poverty eradication. We are speaking to so many crowd, but still there are in India 80 crore rupees are spending for this blah blah. So how I can stay there? I can. That's why I interfere with this issue.
तो ये देखा आपने, ये अश्वती ज्वाला हैं जो केरला से आई हैं और केरला से आने के बाद यहाँ पर ये स्ट्राइक कर रही हैं। अश्वती ज्वाला जो स्ट्राइक कर रही हैं ये हंगर स्ट्राइक है, जिस तरीके से गरीबी को छुपाया जा रहा है। ख़ास बात ये है कि अश्वती के 2 छोटे बच्चे हैं, एक 14 साल की बेटा है, एक 14 साल का, एक 5 साल का बेटा। उस 5 साल के बेटे को छोड़कर वो केरला से अहमदाबाद आई हैं अकेली और यहाँ पर हंगर स्ट्राइक कर रही हैं गरीबों के लिए। ये पूरी देश की जनता के लिए एक मिसाल है। जो लोग जो गलत हो रहा है उसके ख़िलाफ़ बोलना नहीं चाहते हैं, उनके लिए अश्वती ज्वाला जो है एक बेहतरीन मिसाल है।
आप देख रहे हैं देश लाइव, देश की आवाज़।